So out of 50, our next question is ideal independent current source. This is also just like a ideal independent voltage source. Already we discussed the same concept. This is also one of the theoretical ideology. Okay, so here also as a current source we are taking the same current source we can get at same current we are getting at load end also. Okay, so you remember whatever it may be the independent current source we are taking, that same current we are getting at load end. Okay, that's why here also I have drawn this diagram for VI characteristics VL and IL. So IS is directly proportional to, or otherwise IS is directly equal to IL. Okay, so there is no any losses according to theoretical explanation. So that's why we can get it source current equal to load current.